Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Sharma. Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in last video we discussed about the how to create the account and how to create the project in Jira Software. So in this video we will see project menu and options, and also we will see how to add the more team members and what is roadmap, what is backlog, what is board. So these are the very important before going to start any project with Jira Software. So you must have knowledge about this point. So let's start with one by one. So let's move to Jira Software dashboard. So here you can see this is a user interface. So here you can, in the top menu, this is the menu for the Jira Software, and inside this left side, whatever project you have created, that project details should be there. So here I am clicking on this project menu. So here you can see I have only one project. Okay, whatever project you have created, let's say multiple project you have, so that project will be there. Okay, after that you can click on this particular project. Let's say click on this. I'm clicking on this project product list. In the left side you can see the details for this project. You can create the configurations like planning and development. So let's talk about the planning. Inside this planning, here you can see timeline, backlog and board. So what is timeline? Timeline means you can mention the long-term plan. Let's say if you are developing any project, so you can mention your long-term plan. You can take the target. You can mention your target. Let's say I'm clicking on this timeline. So you can see here there are many things inside this timeline. You can create the epic means let's say there are many developer. Let's say developer 1, they will work on this particular epic. Let's say you can say like if I'm taking one example, I have a Facebook project. Let's say inside this Facebook there are many functionality like chat, uploading videos. So there are many modules. So here you can say like create epic means it's a kinds of modules. You can create the separate modules and developer can work on the separate modules. Okay, so this is the timeline. You can say this, that is called a roadmap. And if I talk about the here how to add more team member, so here you can see this is my name Rakesh Sharma, and you can add the team member. So when we click on this icon, so here you can see this pop-up will open, and you can mention here the email ID for the particular developer. Suppose that every developer should have account in the Jira Software. Okay, without account you cannot add any for to any developer. Okay, so account should be there. So I am clicking on this. So here you need to mention the email ID, and you can mention also let's say role. Suppose that if developer is tester, yeah, front end developer, back end developer, so you can specify that role. Okay, and when we click on add, so it will add. You can add more and more team member. Okay, so let's move on the backlog. So what is backlog? You can say like backlog is the short term period. Suppose that you have to complete within 15 days, so you can create the backlog, and you can see your sprint. You can create issues. So inside this backlog you can mention the issues, and you can mention also date. So which date you have to, it is you can say like it's the time estimation for the short term period. Okay, and move to board. So what is board? Board is let's say suppose that some project is not started, so you can mention inside this board. Let's say there are many section here in the to-do list, there is no any progress, so that item will be in to-do list. If suppose that I have started one point, so you can mention inside this in progress. If item is done, so you can mention inside this done. Here the main advantage of this, you can drag and drop. Let's say I have complete the one item, so you can also drag from to do to in progress and in progress to done. And if I talk about the in the development part, so here there are three things. First one is the code. So previously it was 3 item, but now you can see in the latest version only one option is there, code. So code is, what is code? So suppose that while developing the project, so while pushing the code, so we have to push in the particular container, let's say Bitbucket or GitHub. So you can directly connect to any container, let's say Bitbucket or GitHub. So you can connect to here. So that is called the code. And project page means you can say suppose that if you want to make the documentation for the particular project, so you can also mention here, you can also create the project. So I will not dive in the details, so you can check out and you can create the document. Add sort, so this is not important for now. Project settings, there are many functionality you can mention. You can configure the project settings, project name, key is, it's not an important thing, it is just kinds of ID, it will automatically generate ID. And category, you can mention here category. Project lead, you can change your project lead and default assign. So these are the functionality. So I hope you understood all those things. So in the next video we will dive in the details. So thank you so much, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my video.